It is all happening. There is no question that this is the timing on earth to remember, to wake up, even though it is understood that you have heard these words many, 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 many times over the past few decades leading up to this point in time. Understand that there is another level that we are speaking with you in, and it is frequency. Let go of the words and feel this frequency that comes through the voice now. It is more exciting than you can imagine. It is more love than you can imagine, that you can imagine at this time. Open the windows, open the doors to these frequencies and embrace something unimaginable at this point. Let the frequency fill you in.